Hello everyone, welcome back to the new part-time job opportunity. So in this video I'm going to explain to you how to apply for Zomato delivery jobs for especially for the part-time jobs. And as usual, this is also going to help for the students especially who are looking for like additional pocket money or passive income. And if you want to study or if you want to learn some courses, you need some additional income or any kind of pocket money which is not enough provided by your parents, then you can go for this kind of part-time jobs. These jobs are really going to useful for all the students who are looking for flexible part-time jobs. So flexible part-time jobs in the sense you don't need to work for full time, you don't need to work every day, and whenever you feel, whenever you have a time, you can start working for this kind of jobs. So these jobs, especially for delivery jobs, are like very flexible hours, and you can earn very good amount. So the students actually what happens is they cannot do any full-time jobs, right? So they can take up these kind of jobs and can earn some reasonable amount. Let's come back to this particular website. This is going to work even in a mobile application also. So you can download the mobile application, you can open and you can apply for it. Otherwise, if you have a laptop or computer, even on mobile phone, you can open your browser and you can type here zomato.runner.in. I'm going to provide this website link in this video description. If you click on that, it is going to open in a mobile phone and even in your laptop or computer. So this is a website especially for the delivery boys, like a delivery staff we can call them. So Zomato, how it's going to work, find a delivery solution. We have a large fleet of delivery partners who will deliver your orders in a matter of minutes and take order status through your mobile phone, live tracking and simplified order management system. So even see, for the customers, the Zomato app, whatever they're going to download, that will be a different. And for the delivery staff, and you're going to get the different app because you have like a customer's order information where you have to pick up your order and which restaurant. So your app will be completely, interface will be completely different. Okay, so then get useful insights like order analytics, accounting and issue tracking at all in one place. So these additional features will be available for the runners in the sense like a delivery staff. So there are like a 10 crore delivers as of now they supplied, and they have a 5,000 plus happy merchants and 10,000 plus happy partners. So more than 10,000 people are working here. So join our delivery fleet. If you have a bike, join Zomato to become a financially independent, earn through the deliveries and also get referral bonus for every friend you refer. So it's not only like you deliver the food and you can earn money, but you can still, if you refer any of your friends, you're going to get some bonus for referral bonus for referring your friends, or you're inviting your friends to join the Zomato as a delivery fleet or delivery boys, then you're going to get some referral bonus as well. So this is the information about this particular like a delivery runner app or website. So if you want to simply apply for this kind of jobs, then click on this join us now button. Once you click on this one, it's going to show you that application form here. You need to provide your name and your phone number, and it's going to show you which city you want to provide the services or which city you belongs to. They have a wide range of the places or service places or service stations available. So you can select it which city or town you belongs to, then you can select it. It's like a Bangalore, you have all the south states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and even for the all the north states, everywhere they have their servicing centers. And not only in India, even they have servicing center in Abu Dhabi as well. So look for your city or town, you select it. For example, let's say you belongs to Aurangabad. I'm going to select it as Aurangabad, enter your name, I'm going to enter my name, then enter your phone number, then what type of vehicle you have. Do you have a bike or do you have a cycle or e-cycle? So select it, then click on this checkbox, then simply click on apply button. So the payout will be every week. It's like a weekly payout. Join from home with our mobile app and start delivering today. So you don't need to go to office. You can simply from your home open the mobile app and select, like, you're on, like, you're ready for delivery. So once you click on that button, so then immediately you start getting the orders. Then it will show you that which restaurant you have to go and pick up the order, and who is the customer, what is his address. So these two options will be displaying for you. So you just simply go to the restaurant and pick up the order. Then you can simply update the status you picked up the order. Then the customer will get the notifications. Then it's going to show you what is the customer address. Then simply use the mobile maps or tracking system, where it will help you to drive through to the customer location or customer address. Simply go to the customer house or place and deliver the particular food order. That's it, your job is done. So you can mark it as the food has been delivered, then one order has been completed. So then immediately going to get a new order. So nearby restaurants, nearby areas. So this is how the system is going to work. If you come down here, what are the benefits you're going to get from this Zomato? If you apply for delivery jobs, you're going to get a weekly payments, get paid weekly without any wait. So you don't need to wait. Simply once you've done all your order within a week of time, they're going to calculate how many orders you've done. So based on that, they're going to pay you a weekly. Then flexible working hours, choose your time according to your convenience. So if you have some work, if you want to go back to home, simply switch off your status, you're not available. You can make it as like available, not available. If you're not available, if you select not available, then you're not going to get any orders. So it's completely flexible working hours. You don't need to work 8 hours, 10 hours. So there is no kind of restrictions here. Then insurance coverage, feel safe with our accidental and medical insurance. They're going to provide medical and accidental coverage or insurance to you. That's really going to help you and your family. So if you want to learn more about how to sign up for this particular website for this job, you have a video here. You can click on it and play it. So you're going to get more information on this. So this is a process or procedure for how to apply for Zomato delivery staff, and especially for the students. If you have a bike and you have a additional free time, then you can utilize your free time to earn some meaningful or reasonable money, which is going to help you for further studies. Or if you want to spend for your upgrading your skills, like learning a new courses or like any kind of like a training, if you want to take it, it's really going to help you a lot. Not only for that, you can use it as for your pocket money without asking your parents. Hope so guys, this information is very useful for you. And this, if you feel that this video is really helpful for you, then please click on like button. And first time if you are seeing my videos, if you like it, click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. So whenever I post new videos, you're going to get the notification. Thank you very much. We're going to meet again with you with a new website or mobile app. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.